Hello friends, I welcome you back to online class once again. Did you celebrate Rakhi yesterday? Okay, so today we will learn the sound of W. Okay, so shall we start, students? Are you ready? Come, let's begin. So here comes the picture. This is W, right? This is capital W. Okay, now what about the cursive W? No worries. So here is the picture of cursive W. See, this is how the W looks in cursive. This is small w in cursive. Now what about the sound of W? The sound of W is V. V. Yes, V. Everybody repeat after me. V. The sound of W is V. Very good. Now let's have a look at some pictures. So here comes the first picture. Is this a dog? No, this is a wild animal. It stays in the jungle. It howls sometimes. This is called a wolf. Wolf. Okay, so this wolf starts with W. Wolf. Now the next picture. This is a very juicy fruit, isn't it? We have it during the summer season. This is very good for our health. Yes, this is watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. Watermelon. Now, who can tell me what is this? What can you see in this picture? This is also a healthy food. This is a type of nut. This is called walnut. Okay, walnut starts with W. Walnut. Now the next picture. Can you tell me what is this, students? What is the name of this animal? It stays under the water and is a very big animal. This is called whale. Whale starts with W. Whale. Okay, now the next picture. What is this, students? What do we do when we feel thirsty? We drink a glass of water, right? So the water that we drink starts with W. Water. Okay, now the last picture. Can you tell me what is this, students? We see the time with the help of this thing, right? We wear this thing on our hand and see the time. Yes, this is watch. This is watch. So this watch starts with W. Watch. Very good. So what did we learn today? We got to know the sound of W, and the sound of W is W. Very good. And then W for wolf. Wolf. Next, watermelon. Watermelon. Next, yes, walnut. Walnut. This is whale. Whale. And next thing, water. Water. And the last, watch. Watch. Okay, so students, please keep practicing at home. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.